This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert from US dollars to Bitcoin online. So we're doing USD to BTC. I like to use this converter right here. It's a rather long and wildy URL, so I will put this as a link in the video description, so you can click that and you'll find yourself on this converter right here. It's a super handy converter. By default, we have $1 and the amount that $1 equals in Bitcoin. Let's say we wanted to do let's say you have $1,000, maybe using this for investment purposes. You want to know how much $1,000 is currently worth. Well, they use, I'm not sure what they use. I think it might use Coinbase, but they are using a mid-market rate. And they don't actually say openly what they're using for conversion purposes, but I've always found this quite accurate. It is up to date time-wise. So we see here $1,000 is currently 0.01 in Bitcoin. Let's say again you're using it for investment purposes. Maybe you have I know 15,000 US dollars. You can find out right now that is 0.16 Bitcoin as of the current market rates. We're here in actually early 2026 right now. They also have this handy conversion table right here and a chart as well at the bottom, which you can see right here. You can do different currencies as well right here, and different cryptocurrencies as well over on this side. It actually starts with the currencies right there, but you can narrow it down with the search bar right there. So yeah, hopefully you found this video on how to convert from United States dollars to Bitcoin, from USD to BTC. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like. It really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.